Thank you very much. Let me take this opportunity to thank His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka and the Wiper Party for agreeing that we put our candidates together, because their combined vote is a sure winner in Magarini. We in DCP have been overwhelmed by that very gracious action. Again, we thank Wiper Party for the gracious decision in Narok Township to cede ground to DCP. And it is in the same spirit that DCP has ceded ground in Malava, in Mbeere North. We want to inform the people of Kenya that the formula of getting a single presidential candidate to face William Ruto is on course. And for those who have been in doubt, what is happening in these by-elections is a dress rehearsal of the formula and the mechanism to get a single presidential candidate to face William Ruto. And we want to assure the people of Kenya, come rain or shine, we are determined, as we have been told by the people of Kenya, that they want one single presidential candidate to face William Ruto. I have heard William Ruto bragging that with the demise of Raila Odinga, he has no opponent. I would like just to inform him that we are not his opponents. His opponents are the people of Kenya. And the people of Kenya have gone nowhere. We are just doing what the people of Kenya want. We have sufficient, clear instructions from the people of Kenya to agree on one single presidential candidate to face William Ruto and liberate our country, restore the dignity of the payslip, restore the Kenyan nation, bring an end to the era of bribery and corruption, mismanagement of public resources, the era of abductions and extrajudicial killings. And we want to assure the people of Kenya that we are more than determined to abide by their wish to get one single presidential candidate. It will happen, and that will be the candidate of the people of Kenya. So William Ruto, much as you seem to celebrate the death of Raila Odinga, as you have rightly said that you are quite happy now that you have no other opponent, your opponent is not ourselves here. It is the people of Kenya, and they are in millions. And be prepared to face them as when the day comes. Thank you very much. Let our teams continue working together. We shall be in Magarini, we shall be in Malaba, we shall be everywhere to coordinate and give impetus to our campaign to make sure that we win. Thank you very much. Asante sana. That's good enough. You don't need to add anything. Well put.
Hiyo anasema